Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making the area safe and reachable. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical faults, then remove the glove box and lower kick panels to expose dash fasteners. Once done, use a 10 mm socket and plastic trim tools to avoid scratching. Make sure to organize screws in labeled containers so reassembly is simple. This saves time and prevents mismatched clips. You're starting the physical work now, not prepping endlessly, so pull the necessary panels and expose the dash mounting points. You'll now systematically unbolt and unplug the dash. Start at the A-pillars and work inward to the center console and instrument bezel, removing visible screws and hidden fasteners. Once fasteners are clear, carefully unplug the wiring harnesses and note the airbag connector. Leave the battery disconnected until you're done with airbag procedures to prevent deployment. Support the dash with a stand or a second person. Once free, lift evenly to avoid bending the HVAC ductwork and electrical connectors. This prevents damage and keeps alignment. To finish, you and an assistant lift the dash straight out, watching for HVAC ducts and the steering column. Disconnect anything still attached before moving it far enough to work. Inspect wiring, duct seals, and mounting clips. Replace any broken clips to ensure a snug reinstallation. Once repairs or access tasks are done, reinstall in reverse order, reconnecting the battery last. Make sure to test the HVAC, lights, and airbags function before snapping trim back into place. If a system fails, recheck connectors and grounding points first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.